The event planning industry is hectic to say the least. Months of planning go into an event that could last only 3 hours. Planning often includes budgeting, selecting dates, picking a venue, acquiring permits, coordinating transportation, developing a theme, arranging decor, tables, chairs, tents, support, security, catering, signage, and finally, making sure there's suitable Wi-Fi in the venue to support the needs of the exhibitors and guests. Setting up proper Wi-Fi can be tricky. Using equipment not meant for high-density environments can often lead to this, then this, or this. To make life easier, we've created a short checklist to help event managers better understand their Wi-Fi needs. Start off by defining the purpose of the Wi-Fi. Do you want to provide basic access for social media, web, and email? Or is the Wi-Fi more mission critical, like in an online auction or fundraiser? Do you want your guests to stream video in standard definition or high definition? All these different situations require different amounts of bandwidth and can be unsuccessful if not properly addressed. Once you understand your Wi-Fi needs, figure out how many people you plan on supporting on the Wi-Fi at once. Bandwidth requirements will multiply incrementally based on simultaneous connections. Keep in mind that some exhibitors or event staff might have a need for dedicated bandwidth. Be sure to figure out their needs early in the process. Now that you know how much bandwidth you need, find out if your event venue has an existing internet connection and what speed it supports. Buying additional bandwidth is often the biggest expense for event producers and can usually be significantly reduced if purchased in advance. Once you're confident with your bandwidth requirements, start thinking about your Wi-Fi footprint. Do you plan to offer Wi-Fi throughout the entire event venue, or do you just want to set up a hotspot in a certain area? Are there Ethernet and power connections where you want to set up your hotspot? If not, you'll have to run wires to connect the wireless infrastructure. Access points, or APs, are used to deliver wireless access to users, and each has a reach of about 3,000 square feet in an open space. APs do have a user limit and can usually support between 50 and 100 people depending on the model. Keep in mind that APs work better from an elevated environment. Now that these major aspects are covered, you could start thinking about Wi-Fi add-ons, like setting up a branded client-facing portal or delivering advertisements over your network. We're here to make the life of event managers a tiny bit easier. Call us now for a free consultation.